But what is the step-by-step strategy the US military launches the plane? Before a single fighter jet leaves the runway, the invisible war has already begun. For weeks, US spy planes and satellites have been hovering just out of reach, quietly listening. They are hunting for the electronic fingerprints of Iranian radar systems, mapping exactly where they are and how they communicate. They compile all of this into a digital hit list, which gets loaded directly into the brains of the Navy's electronic attack jets, the EA-18G Growlers. Back at command, planners aren't just drawing flight paths on a map, they are navigating a deadly 3D maze. They calculate massive threat rings around every enemy missile system. Then they plot exact coordinates, safe zones in the sky, where the Growlers can orbit and blast their jamming signals without getting shot down. When the strike package finally launches, it is a highly choreographed machine. You have the Growlers for electronic attack, F-35s and Super Hornets carrying the bombs, and specialized jets loaded with radar-killing missiles. Every single aircraft has a precise location, altitude, and down-to-the-second timeline. There is no guesswork. 30 minutes to target. The Growlers reach their standoff positions 50 to 100 miles out. They unleash a massive wave of broadband noise, blanketing the enemy's early warning screens in a thick electronic fog. The goal right now isn't to hide, it's to blind the enemy's big-picture view before the real raid even begins. 15 minutes out. The strike fighters push into the kill zone and the Growlers move in to escort them. The jamming shifts from a blunt sledgehammer to a scalpel. They inject fake targets into the Iranian screens and scramble their speed and distance readings. The radar operators are drowning in signals, completely unable to tell which blips are real aircraft and which are digital ghosts. Now the enemy faces a terrifying dilemma. If an Iranian operator realizes they are being jammed and tries to crank up their radar's power to see through the noise, they paint a giant bullseye on their own back.